Okay, Alan, do you mind explaining what all this is? Because there's a bit there, actually.
So what we have here, we have the mains inverter changeover switch. We have a RCD for the mains and a separate RCD for the inverter. So it's like an earth leakage circuit.
So you don't need to touch them unless something's gone?
Don't need to touch those unless they click off if you're on either mains or inverter.
Yeah, so if there's been a problem or something like that...
Yeah, there's obviously an electrical issue.
Okay.
If you want to turn the van from mains to inverter, if you're free camping, you've got to turn the main switch all the way down to inverter. And then this switch over here, which is usually in the charger side, you want to flick to on. And now the inverter's on. As you can see, the microwave has power to it.
So now technically I can run, all 240 power points will now be running off the batteries in the van.
Correct.
You could run even the air conditioner or something like that for a short period of time.
Short period of time with the air conditioner, yep. Depends on what batteries you've got.
Okay. What's this other one here with the big screen on it? The red button.
The red button, a hot water system. Okay. So if you've got your pumps on, what you can do, you can actually adjust the temperature of your hot water system. Minimum temperature is 35, maximum temperature is 51. So if you want to adjust the temperature up, obviously the hotter the temperature, the more gas you're going to use.
So from what I understand with this instant hot water system, when you're having a shower or whatnot, you just use the hot water only. You don't mix it with cold water at all. So you set your temperature up there.
Set your temperature up there and you can be comfortable.
Yeah, and just turn it full-blown hot water.
Fully on.
Yep, all right. So no need to mix the cold water like you do with the storage tank. Yep. Okay, the gauges above that, that's your water
level gauge.
Which one's which?
Usually that's the drinking water and then your general purpose.
All right, so these guys got 190 litre general purpose and 60 drinking.
That's correct.
And they're completely separated.
Yep.
Okay. I don't know if you can see this on the camera, but down here at the end of your kitchen galley, you've got two red buttons that are illuminated. They're your water pumps. We illuminate them to indicate that they're on. The idea is you don't leave them on. You only have them on when you're actually using the water, because otherwise if you sprung a leak, it'll just pump all the water out of the tanks, which wouldn't be a good thing.
So once you've finished using the power from the batteries, using the inverter, make sure we turn the inverter off. Otherwise you'll just keep drawing power out of the inverter. So what we do is we flick the switch to the center position to off, flick it back up to mains, and then charger only side. This is where you're going to want to be probably 90% of the time. Unless you're free camping all the time. But that's where you want to be because you're going to get your solar charge and charge from a generator or anything like that if you're plugged into a generator.